Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious kimchi stew at home. This easy guide will help you create a comforting and flavorful meal. First, gather your key ingredients: about 1 pound of aged kimchi, 8 ounces of pork belly, and 1 block of firm tofu. Also, prepare your aromatics like 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and 2 chopped green onions. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of gochujang and 1 teaspoon of gochugaru for that authentic Korean kick. Now, let's build that incredible flavor. Begin by slicing your 8 ounces of pork belly into 1-inch pieces and sautéing them in a pot over medium heat until they are beautifully browned and slightly crispy. Next, add your 1 pound of aged kimchi to the pot and cook it for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally to deepen its rich, tangy flavor. Finally, stir in your 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and 1 teaspoon of gochugaru, cooking for 1 minute until fragrant. With our flavorful base ready, it's time to simmer our stew to perfection. Pour in about 4 cups of anchovy broth or water, along with 1 tablespoon of gochujang, and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Once boiling, add your 1 block of firm tofu, sliced into 1/2-inch thick pieces, and any other desired vegetables like mushrooms or onions. Reduce the heat to low, cover, and let the stew simmer for at least 20 minutes, allowing all the delicious flavors to meld beautifully. Your homemade kimchi stew is now ready to be enjoyed. Before serving, give it a taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. You can add a pinch more salt or a dash of gochugaru for extra spice. Ladle the hot stew into bowls and garnish generously with your 2 chopped green onions. Serve this comforting and hearty meal immediately with a side of warm, fluffy white rice. Enjoy your delicious, homemade kimchi stew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.